Here for Layton Sports Cards, ripping 2022 Topps Pristine Baseball. 4-box break number 10. Pick your teams. We have Andrew S. Orioles, Benjamin V. D-backs, Chris B. Blue Jays, Chris S. Angels, Kurt S. Pirates, Dave K. Cubs, Farhan A. Astros, Gregory M. Red Sox, Jacob O. Reds, Jeff N. Royals Yankees, Johnny B. Cardinals Tigers Giants, Kenneth H. Mariners, Kevin R. Rockies Brewers Rangers, Kim J. Guardians, Kyle G. Braves, White Sox Dodgers, Michael B. Padres, Mike S. Phillies, Nick B. Twins, Ryan S. A's, Scott T. Mets Rays, Suzanne P. Marlins, and Wells J. Nationals. Good luck. Thanks, Scooter. Appreciate it. All right. Here we go with box 1. We have Top Series 1 Baseball Jumbo, 6-box number 1, random teams up next. 10 spots to go in that. $44.99 a spot. Thank you all for filling up the breaks today. Just one break left. Again, we are doing kind of a lighter schedule for a bit, just to give the channel a little time to grow and get where we're more consistently, or we're filling the breaks, faster. We filled them fine today. There's been a little bit of a delay a couple times, but yeah, and as the channel grows, the number of breaks we do in a day will grow. And we get a different, like a little bit more variety of breaks. For now, I mean, starting off, it's good to kind of stick to traditional, but we can do a break where every card that we pull numbered to 50 or less, Sean does 12 push-ups.
Yeah.
Fitness breaks.
Yeah, I'm down. Yeah. Just have to do no cards to 50.
I had a standoff, or well, I was laying down, but I had a standoff with a spider. Huge spider. I mean, like huge. It was on my trash can, like my little trash can in my bedroom. This is Rays. Jersey Auto, Randy Arozarena. Nice one, Tampa Bay. It's Andy Pettit, gold. And Padres, gold, Jersey Auto to 50, Manny Machado. Nice one, San Diego. There you go, Padres. Alex Kirilloff, purple. So it looks like our missing hits were in this first box. Whit Merrifield, Mike Trout. And again, if you had a spot in number 9 and you're watching this, if you're not watching the live feed, we did do an extra box as a separate video for Pristine number 9. And just pulled the autos. Pulled the autos out of the box and ship those. We'll ship those with your break. That was for Pristine number 9. This one's number 10. We do have 2022 Top Series 1 Baseball 6-box case, number 1 random teams up after this. It is $44.99 a spot. And we have 10 spots to go. Dave Winfield. Jose Abreu. All right. In case cards, we have Mariners, Jared Kelenic. Auto there. Reds, rookie auto, Tony Santillan. That's gold, Randy Rosarena. Rosarena box here. This is Mets auto, Pete Alonso to 99. There you go, Mets. There's base Ken Griffey Jr. and orange to 25, Herman Marquez. You go, Rockies. So we had, what, 5 hits in that box? Oh, that was you with the Padres, Mike? That's awesome. Congrats. That Machado is really nice. All right, here we go. It's orange, Todd Helton to 25, Rockies. Reed Detmers, and this is Rays. Jersey auto, Brandon Lau. Nice one, Tampa Bay. That's Alan Trammell, purple to 99. Pedro. Let's fill up the last break of the day. Up next, we have 2022 Topps Series 1 Jumbo 6-box case. Random team style, 10 to go in that. Let me drop you a link here. There's Soto. Or Luis Gill. Max Kepler. All right. There you go. Nolan Arenado. Red Sox, Pure Power Auto, Mo Vaughn. That is Orioles, Auto, Cal Ripken Jr. Nice one, O's. Padres Gold, Yu Darvish to 50. There's Charlie Blackmon. And Gold, Heimer Candelario. Tigers. What is today? Tuesday?
Yeah.
Okay. No LSC baseball breaks tomorrow. Grab up your spots for Luminance football over on the main channel for tomorrow. Actually, grab your spots for tonight's group breaks with Kenzie. 10 box Tuesdays.
It's Caleb today.
And by Kenzie, I mean Caleb. Yeah, Caleb is doing 10 box Tuesday breaks tonight. So grab up your spots for those. And then for tomorrow's Luminance football breaks. And then I will be back on Thursday. Cool lineup on Thursday, too. I've got a 21 Topps Chrome Update Sapphire, 5-box random team style. A 21 Bowman Draft Sapphire, 5-box random teams. And then a 2021 Bowman Draft Jumbo, 2-box random team style. We'll have 2 pick your team style, 22 Bowman Jumbo, 4-box breaks. And then 21 Bowman Sterling Baseball, 2-box random team style. A Topps Pristine 2-box random team style. And we'll close out the day with a Tier 1 baseball. Or I'm sorry, 2 Tier 1 baseball cases, pick your team style. No, that's not correct. We have one more aside from that. Yeah, we'll close out the day, I'm sorry, with a Clearly Authentic random divisions. Again, that's on Thursday. All right. So 10 to go for Top Series 1 Jumbo. Up next, that is 6-box full case random team style break. It's Gary Sheffield purple to 99. Mike Trout gold. Nice one, Angels to 50. 46 of 50. This is Reds. Jersey Auto, Jesse Winker. Go Cincinnati. Blue Bob, purple to 99. Come on, let's see a super somewhere. Jose Ramirez. Hank Aaron. Juan Soto. Clayton Kershaw. Mariano. Max Scherzer. Encased cards. First, pink to 15, Padres. Manny Machado. Non-auto Machado. That is 8 of 15. What's his jersey number? Do you know? This is Ahmed Rosario. Elvis Andrus. And Cardinals auto, Jack Flaherty. There you go, Redbirds. Soon to be 12-time world champion St. Louis Cardinals. It's Rod Carew. Blue to 75. And Nationals. Gold, popular demand auto to 50. Juan Soto. Nice one. Nationals. Congrats. There you go, Nats. That is 16 of 50. All right. Last box, good luck. Let's finish strong. That Soto was nice, man. Jeez. All right, let's fill up the last break of the day. That is 2022 Topps Baseball Jumbo Series 1. I said that strangely. 2022 Topps Series 1 Baseball Jumbo. 9 to go. 6 box, full case, number 1 random teams. All right. Here we go. Good luck. It's Raimel Tapia. Pudge Rodriguez. Orange. 25. Nice one, Marlins. Shane Baz. Rookie purple to 99. Rod Carew, purple. Says we just lost signal. And that is Phillies jersey auto to 99. Steve Carlton. Nice lefty. All right. Looks like we cut out there for just a second. Or, well, for 15 seconds or so. There's a Steve Carlton jersey auto. Phillies to 99. And in case it cut out during these, Pudge Rodriguez, orange, and Shane Baz, purple. What we've seen from the box so far. Jesse Winker. Oh, oops. I have to pass that one over. Kyler McGill. Ichiro. Shohei Ohtani. Vlad Jr. All right. Encased cards. That is gold Marcus Semien to 50. Blue Andrew Vaughn to 75. Astros auto Jose Altuve. Nice one, Houston. That is Mariners gold Jared Kalanick 50. Ron Santo. And White Sox pure power auto Lou Bob. Nice Luis Robert White Sox. 1 second, we'll do a hit recap. Yeah, sorry about that, Peg. We're at 6 to go now for Series 1 Jumbo, Case 1 Random Teams. This is Phillies Jersey Auto to 99, Steve Carlton. Reds Jersey Auto, Jesse Winker. Rays Jersey Auto, Brandon Lau. Padres Jersey Auto Gold to 50, Manny Machado. That's Rays Jersey Auto, Randy Arozarena. We had Cardinals Auto, Jack Flaherty. Red Sox Pure Power Auto, Mo Vaughn. Reds Rookie Auto, Tony Santillan. That's Mariners Auto, Jared Kelenic. White Sox Pure Power Auto, Luis Robert. Astros Auto, Jose Altuve. Mets Auto to 99, Pete Alonso. Orioles Auto, Cal Ripken Jr. And the hit of the break, Nationals Gold Popular Demand Auto to 50, Juan Soto. That'll do it for the break. Thank you, everybody. Appreciate it. Top Series 1 is up next.